In this video, we will discuss one example latching concept. Write a PLC program to latch an output lamp Y1 with a push button X20. The lamp always turns on when input is on. We will complete this step first. Open the software, click Edit Ladder, take one NC contact, enter input address X20, click OK. Take one output instruction coil, enter address Y1, click OK. So whenever the input X20 is on, the output will be on. We'll continue with the problem. In latch state, latch means we have to use the status of output in the input side. We have to do this, okay? The lamp will be turned on when the selector switch is off. Okay, here we have another input which is selector switch. So the output lamp will only be turned on when the selector switch is off. Okay, the output will be off when the selector switch is in on state irrespective of the latching condition. This means we have a selector switch. If the selector switch is off in the latch state, the lamp can be turned on, and the lamp can be turned off when the selector switch is in on state irrespective of latching condition. So we need a latch first. Click on second rung, take one NO contact. We have to use the output address as for latch condition. Enter Y1, click OK. In this case, I am going to take NC contact for a selector switch. So I will take X24. This is the selector switch 1. X24. Click OK. And close the line, close the branch. Just select here, click on this line. We need vertical line, right? So select vertical line, click OK. Now my program is completed. So compile it and download to PLC. My program is ready. See, X24 selector switch is in off state. As it is NC contact, it is an on condition. If I press push button 1, input X20 is on, so output Y1 is also on. The Y1 latch is also on. It is already in X24 is already in on state, so output remains on. If my selector switch input is on, the output will be turned off because selector switch is breaking the latch. This is earlier, this is on, so output is in on condition. But whenever I activated the selector switch, it is open, so it is breaking the latch. If I press input push button, the output will be on. If I release it, again output will be off. As input X24 is in on state, it is in open condition, latch is not going to happen. Latch will only happen if selector switch 1 is in off state, because latch is holding. If I break the latch using selector switch, output will be off. This is the logic given in the problem. See, write a PLC program to latch output lamp with a push button. The lamp always turns on when input is on. So irrespective of latch state, if input is on, output is on. It is happening. In latch state, depending upon the status of selector switch, either the lamp will be in on or off state. I will meet you in the next session.